Good morning, second graders, and welcome to EL Lesson 33. We are really moving along in our challenge level, so you should feel very, very proud of yourselves. We are going to start with some syllable types this morning. Now remember, syllables are how we break down words. They're just the small chunks. So they're just going to be one syllable, like sky, sigh. So here we go. One syllable. Here we go. Think, sound, read. Sky. The sky is blue. Think, sound, read. Sigh. It's like, huh, a little sigh, huh. Think, sound, read. Soap. Soap. Now, this is more than one syllable here. Okay, we're going to do the first part first. Think, sound, read. Can, D. Candy. Raise your hand if you want candy. I like Kit Kat, Nerds, Sweet Tarts. I'm allergic to peanut butter, so no peanut butter for Miss Fine. Think, sound, read. This is what an owl does. Hoot, hoot. Here's two vowels together here. We got those two O's. Now this is gibberish, but we're just practicing sounds. Think, sound, read. What makes the T sound? Tie, tie. Think, sound, read. Dap, dap. Think, sound. Now this is gibberish again. Doesn't make sense, but it's just practicing our syllables. Ohm. Though this is am, but we have an O here in front, so we have two vowels here, so it makes it a little tricky. Oam. Oam. Maybe. That's a tricky one. Miss Fine doesn't even know sometimes. Here we go. What does a K make? Think, sound, read. Chem. Chem. Think, sound, read. Oop. 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 Very good, second graders. Let's sit up nice and tall. All right. What we're going to do now is some transformations. Okay? I'm going to start with the base word, and then I'm going to change the ending. Here we go. Here's our first word. Let me get a good marker so you can see it nice and clear. Now, this is something that we do in math. At the end of second grade, we do this in math. Think, sound, read. Mul, let's do it by syllable. Multiply. Multiply. That is times. That's a fast way to do addition. Like 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay. Now I'm going to change the ending here. I'm going to add an ing. Say it with me. Here's our base word. Multiplying. Multiplying. I'm multiplying fractions. All right. Now I'm going to change the ending to plural. Okay. I switched out the Y for an I. Now, English has some very complicated rules, and this is one of them. They took out the Y and added an I and an ES. Say it with me. Multiplies. I'm going to break it into syllables. Multiplies. Multiplies. She multiplies big numbers in her head. I bet Matilda could multiply big numbers in her head. Okay. And finally, this ending. Again, I got rid of the Y, changed it to an I. Say it with me. multiplied. Matilda multiplied large numbers in her head. Multiplied. Very good. Let's do another one. Okay, we do this in class. We do this with friends. Think, sound, read. Co-op-parate. Cooperate. We work together. Cooperate. Say it with me. Cooperate. Now, I'm just going to add a D, and it becomes cooperated. They cooperated nicely, meaning they played nicely, they worked together nicely. They cooperated. Wonderful. Now I'm going to change the ending to an ing. They were cooperating. They were cooperating nicely together. Okay. Very good, second graders. Now, here's some new sight syllables that I'm going to introduce to you. Now, you find this usually at the end of words, T-U-R-E, such as, say it with me, future, future, or I'm going to change the beginning to N-A. What does it become now? Nay. Say it with me. Nature. Chur. Nature. I love to be around nature. The trees, the birds. Okay. Now, O-C. Say it with me. Ock. Ock. Let me move it over a little bit. Here's my sight syllable, ock. Now I'm going to transform it. Say it with me. Occupy. Occupy. The C's here kind of blend together. Occupy. Ock with the C's. You. Pie. I am going to occupy this space for the next hour as I work here at the kitchen table. I'm occupying this area. Okay, very good, second graders. One more. Say it with me. Calm, calm. Compare. We are going to compare our sums. That would mean the answers in addition. We're going to compare. We're going to look and see if we got the same answers, the same sums. Let's compare sums. Say it with me. Compare. Wonderful. I love your focus and your attention, second graders. All right, reading by syllables. Say it with me. Re. This is an R here. Re. Re. Reply. Say it with me. Reply. I am going to reply to his email. Next word, first syllable. Think, sound, read. Pick, pick, pick. I like your picture. Here's that T-U-R-E again. Say it with me. Picture, picture. Wonderful. Okay, first syllable. Sitting up nice and tall, breathing in and out. Dis, dis. Say it with me. Dis. Griselda, dis. Very good. Discov. Discov. There's V here. Breaking it apart by syllables. Discov. Let's do the ending. starting from the beginning, discovery. Discovery. Paleontologists make discoveries. If I was going to change it to discoveries, I would get rid of the Y and add an I-E-S. Discoveries. Wonderful. Let's do one more. First syllable. N, think, sound, read. Nay, nay. And here's that T-U-R-E again. Nature. Nature is the birds and the trees and the grass. Wonderful. All right, moving right along, second graders. We're going to do our spelling work right now, so please get something to write with. Okay? This is your assignment for this SIPS lesson 33. You have 3 new spelling words. All right, I'm going to say it out loud and write down what you hear. Pause, 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 second syllable, bull. Possible is the word, possible. If you didn't get it correct, fix it now. Possible. It is possible to do your best every day. It is possible. Fix it if it is not correct. Second spelling word. 6. 16. The word is 16, so you could even write it closer because it's one word. 16. And the number 16 looks like that. She had her sweet 16. Okay, you're a teenager when you hit about 13, middle school. Make sure you have your 2 spelling words correctly written. Okay, breaking them apart by syllable. Very good. And finally, your third spelling word is ease. Easy. That spelling test was easy, Miss Fine. Okay, you have 3 new spelling words. Possible, it is possible. 16 and easy. Okay, thank you always for your attention, and I will see you next time.